If an asteroid is on a collision course with Earth, they will most likely see it first. We're talking about NASA's Center for Near-Earth Object Studies, which has now been in existence for over 20 years. CNEOS makes over 90% of the near-Earth asteroid and comet discoveries. It all began on March 11, 1998, with an ominous message from the Minor Planet Center in Cambridge, Massachusetts, to astronomers around the world. The message contained new observational data on asteroid 1997 XF11, a newly discovered half-mile-wide space rock that suggested that there was a chance of it impacting Earth in the year 2028. The media at the time mistakenly assumed that the message meant that there was a probability that Earth was doomed. A scientific study at NASA's JPL did some further analysis of 1997 XF11 data and found that the rock posed no danger to Earth. NASA sought to fulfill a 1998 congressional request for them to detect and catalog at least 90% of all NEOs larger than 1 kilometer in size, which equals roughly to 2/3 of a mile within a 10-year period. They came into existence in the summer of 1998 as the Near-Earth Object Observation Program. This new program was operated out of JPL. In 2016, the name was changed to CNEOS. After 20 years, the program has successfully discovered 90% of near-Earth asteroids and comets. Today, there are over 18,000 known NEOs and are at a 40 per week discovery rate. Now CNEOS has a new goal to discover 90% of the NEOs that are much smaller in size, around 450 feet by the year 2020. Although the smaller size asteroids don't pose a global threat to the Earth, they do present a massive threat on a more local or regional scale, which present a threat to the population centers and devastation and a major loss of life. CNEOS has no plans of slowing down after its successful 3 decades of operation.